Hey RC lovers! Welcome back to the channel, where speed meets control and fun never runs out. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting lineups we've covered all year, the best RC cars of 2025. Whether you're an off-road adventurer, a speed junkie, a first-time buyer, or just looking for the coolest toy that'll get the kids off their screens, I've got something for you in this list. From insanely fast race cars that push 120 miles per hour to off-road beasts that tackle rocks like mountain goats, this year's RC scene is stacked. I've tested and researched dozens of the most hyped-up RC models from Traxxas, Bezgar, Kobotix, Amoril, and more, and narrowed it down to the top 6 that are absolutely worth your money. All the product links are in the description below. Make sure to check those out if you see one you love. And if you enjoy this kind of gear guide content, smash that subscribe button, because we've got more reviews, tests, and epic RC races coming your way. Alright, let's jump into it. Alright, speed freaks, this one's for you. If you've been itching to rip across dirt tracks, race through tight corners, and kick up some serious dust, coming in at number 6, we've got the Traxxas Trax Desert Pre-Runner. And this little beast takes the title for the best RC car for racing in 2025. Now, don't let its compact size fool you. The Traxxas Desert Pre-Runner is built for performance. This is a 1/18 scale, four-wheel drive racing truck that brings serious hobby-grade power in a sleek, durable package. And for anyone who wants to get into RC racing without jumping straight into the deep end of the wallet, this is hands down one of the most accessible ways to go fast, right out of the box. Whether you're ripping it across gravel, pavement, or loose dirt, the Traxxas stays planted thanks to its independent suspension, oil-filled shocks, and all-wheel drive drivetrain. That combo means you're getting smooth landings on jumps, minimal body roll in turns, and consistent traction no matter the surface. Even if you're new to RC, this truck makes you feel like a pro behind the wheel. So, who's this car for? If you're someone who loves speed, wants to hit the backyard or your local RC track with confidence, or you're just getting into RC racing and want a truck that won't let you down, the Traxxas Trax Desert Pre-Runner is a rock-solid pick. Alright, coming in at number 5, we've got the Amoril AK787 Speed Demons. This one's for you. The Amoril AK787 is a ready-to-run RC car that looks like it was engineered by NASA. We're talking about a top speed over 120 mph, a carbon fiber chassis, and an electronically adjustable tail fin. It even has a range of over 1,200 feet, which is just absurd. You could be 4 football fields away and still control it. It might not be cheap, but under $500 for this much tech? It's honestly impressive. This car is a showcase of what's possible in modern RC racing. And if you've got the space to really open it up, there's nothing else quite like it. This is not a beginner's car. But if you want serious speed and serious bragging rights, the AK787 is an RC rocket. Coming in at number 4, we've got the Traxxas TRX 4M with the Ford Bronco body. And let me tell you, this isn't just a remote control car, it's a miniature masterpiece. That's why it easily takes the crown as the best replica RC car of the year. From the moment you unbox it, the detail here is insane. Traxxas didn't just slap a Bronco name on a shell and call it a day. This is a 1/18 scale, true-to-life recreation of the modern Ford Bronco, complete with functioning LED headlights, a detailed grille, molded door handles, fender flares, roof rails, the works. You can pick it up in multiple factory colors too, so whether you're into that classic orange, stealthy black, or rugged blue, there's one that fits your vibe. But this little beast is more than just a pretty face. It's also a legit crawler. Under the hood, metaphorically speaking, the TRX 4M is powered by a brushed 1/4D motor paired with a precision transmission and low-end torque that's perfect for slow, controlled climbs. The grippy, soft compound tires are mounted on realistic beadlock-style wheels, and they provide enough traction to handle surprisingly rough terrain. For such a small rig, it really punches above its weight when it comes to trail performance. Now, a big part of what makes this Bronco so fun is how approachable it is. Whether you're an experienced RC enthusiast or a complete newcomer, the TRX 4M is incredibly easy to drive, thanks to its proportional steering and throttle, smooth ESC response, and comfortable controller design. Alright, coming in at number 3 is something totally different from anything else on this list. And honestly, it caught us off guard in the best possible way. It's the Kobotix Real Racer, and this one earns the title of Best VR Driving Experience for a reason. This isn't just a remote control car. This is a whole first-person driving simulator on wheels. So, imagine putting on a pair of VR goggles, looking through the windshield of a car, But that car is a tiny RC racer sitting on your living room floor. That's exactly what the Kobotix Real Racer delivers. You get a real-time first-person video feed streamed directly to your smartphone and displayed through a VR headset. And the result? You feel like you're actually inside the car. Also, this car isn't built for hardcore off-road terrain. The tires are smooth and small, and it sits low to the ground. So don't expect to take it over gravel, grass, or dirt trails. But for indoor racing and tech-fueled fun, it's one of the most unique RC experiences we've seen this year. Now, if you're looking for something a little more budget-friendly but still want quality and performance, the Bezgar off-road monster truck is a hidden gem. At first glance, you might think this is just a fun backyard toy. But don't be fooled. With a brushed motor, real working headlights, and a solid aluminum frame, this thing punches way above its price point. It's 2WD and comes in at a 1/14 scale. But that doesn't stop it from crushing small terrain and giving you a solid 25-minute runtime per charge. That's better than some more expensive models. Plus, the 2.4 GHz transmitter gives you a range of over 160 feet, more than enough for beginners to test their limits. So if you're just getting into the RC world, or buying for a kid who's ready to move beyond toy grade, this is an excellent entry point. If you're looking for the perfect balance of power, performance, and durability, the Traxxas Stampede 4x4 BL2s is the one to beat. This beast is an all-terrain monster truck with oversized tires that absolutely dominate anything you throw at it. Dirt trails, rocky hills, pavement, you name it. But what really blew us away was the handling. Even at high speeds, this thing holds its line and corners with confidence. No flips, no wobbles, just smooth, controlled chaos. And yes, we did slam it into a tree or two, and it just kept on trucking like nothing happened. The BL2's power system gives it crazy acceleration and torque, and the oil-filled shocks paired with a super responsive suspension mean it's ready to hit jumps, tackle ledges, and laugh in the face of uneven terrain. This isn't just a fun toy, it's a true hobby-grade machine. If you want the most complete RC truck out of the box for any skill level, the Stampede is your king. And there you have it, the best RC cars of 2025, from wild off-road crawlers to 100-plus mph street machines and even some first-person VR magic. There's something here for every kind of RC fan, whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your collection. Again, all the product links are in the description below. Check them out for the latest prices, colors, and availability. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more gear reviews like this, smash that like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which RC car you want to see tested next. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your signal strong.